Leaving Madison Airport, headed on our journey on our science expedition. We have landed in Asheville, North Carolina, and we are one step closer to our deciduous biome expedition. Next stop, Girton, North Carolina.
An ecosystem includes all of the living organisms in a specific area. These systems are the plants and animals interacting with their non-living environments, like the weather, the earth, the sun, soil, and the atmosphere. An ecosystem's development depends on the energy that moves in and out of that system. An ecosystem can be as small as a puddle or as large as an ocean. That ecosystem includes every living and non-living thing in the area. It is several small communities interacting with each other. A deciduous biome is unique for many reasons. Deciduous forests can be found in the eastern half of North America, Europe, Asia, Russia, Japan, and eastern China. There are deciduous forests located in New Zealand, southeastern Australia, as well as parts of South America. The deciduous forest has 4 distinct seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. The average annual temperature in a deciduous forest is 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The average rainfall in a deciduous biome is 30 to 60 inches a year. Plants in every biome take in water through their roots and use it in photosynthesis, which is how they create sugar for food. Because they can produce their own sugar, they are called producers. The amount of water in any ecosystem is considered a limiting factor and will help determine how many organisms can survive in one particular area. The word deciduous means to shed or fall off. Deciduous trees shed their leaves once a year. In autumn, when the leaves change color and fall from the trees, they decay on the forest floor, making the soil very rich.
Alright, Waubesa 5th grade. We have left our sweet home at McFarland, got on a plane, left Wisconsin, and have wound up in the deciduous biome here in North Carolina. take a look at this lady, for example. She is both an omnivore and a consumer. She's a consumer because she eats lots of different things to get energy. For example, she eats caterpillars and worms, but she can also eat berries and, you know, chicken feed and all kinds of other things. So she's an omnivore because she can eat basically just about anything, just like human beings can. We are both omnivores, which means we can eat both plants and meat. So this is some leftover Thanksgiving turkey, and this is a carrot. And I'm going to eat both at the same time, actually. Omnivore. So as you can see behind me, we've got a bunch of trees in the deciduous biome that have lost most of their leaves. Now there's a reason that they do that. They are preparing for winter and they are saving energy for the upcoming spring. You will have trees that lose their leaves, like elms and maples and oak trees. But you will also have pine trees that keep their needles on all year round. If you look really closely, you will see that the waxy substance on each needle is what helps keep the moisture all year long.
Here is a tree that's an evergreen tree. The leaves don't fall off the main part of the tree just like a lot of other trees do. It has a special adaptation to survive the cold and freezing months. It curls up, and what's happening is the rhododendron itself is pulling the water back in so it doesn't freeze, causing all the leaves to curl up. That's how it survives the ice cold nights, and then when it warms up, they'll pump the water back in and they'll be able to photosynthesize all winter long. Pretty neat adaptation.